So I am currently driving to go pick up this old ass computer that has a FX 6300 from AMD, which is a pretty old CPU at this point. It's got 6 cores, 12 threads though. I think it can boost to like 3.3, 3.5 or something. So I'm hoping it will be a good enough use to flip into a gaming PC that I can then sell for profit. I found the guy on Facebook Marketplace. He listed it as powerful custom gaming PC. Yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know how powerful it is. So I am hoping and praying that this thing is not a lemon and he actually sells me a PC that I can either flip for more money, but it's gonna need a lot of work. Just from the pictures, it looks pretty dusty, looks old. I don't see anyone buying that as like a normal PC. Maybe if I put a better GPU in it, put in a new case, maybe we can make some money. So I'm heading there now, and we will see if this thing's a dud right after this word from this video sponsor.
When you install Windows on your Steam Deck, or any other PC for that matter, you're going to need to activate it to unlock all the settings. Why spend a ton of money for a code when you can use the sponsor of today's video, SCDKey? You can purchase Windows keys at a large discount, and to get 25% off your order, use code JASON, that's JASON, to get 25% off your order. After purchasing, you'll get your code pretty much instantly and be able to unlock your computer's full potential. And remember that all Windows 10 Pro users can upgrade to Windows 11 for free at any time in the future using these keys. Just take your code, go to your Windows activation menu, pop it in, and boom. Windows is activated, and you should be on your way. Thanks to SCDKey. So I got the PC back to my house, and I immediately dusted it out in my garage. It was surprisingly clean, sans the bottom grate. The seller did a really good job of keeping everything clean. So after cleaning it up just a little bit, I took it upstairs to salvage what I could. There was a GPU, which is a GT210, which is an old graphics card that is pretty much only good for emulation at this point. But the case was in surprisingly good condition, but it was missing a front bay cover, and honestly, it would be hard to flip a PC in this case. So I'm going to keep the case, the DVD drive, the graphics card, and that Rosewell IO thingy, and put it to good use to build a home server for someone in the future. The case has some nice hard drive bays and will be perfect for a budget little home lab for someone. So I can't count those towards the profit of this machine technically, but do know that there were some more perks to this flip other than just cash. Now that leaves me with the motherboard, CPU and cooler, power supply, hard drive, and the RAM. The 500 gig hard drive is in good condition, but we're gonna need an SSD to boot from. I replaced the thermal paste on the FX 6300 just to be safe, and I did notice that this motherboard's actually pretty feature rich. It's even got BIOS flashback, which is pretty crazy for a motherboard this old. The PC also only came with 8 gigs of RAM, so I'm gonna have to throw in another 8 gig stick to bring it up to 16 gigs. We'll add to our costs, but honestly it's gonna go a long way in getting this PC sold. I chose a case on Amazon that I thought looked nice and was in my budget. The case is from Deepcool and it came with a few fans, but you aren't able to change the colors on them. So hopefully that doesn't hurt us during the selling process. I got everything transferred into the new case, but still needed a GPU. The power supply in the machine wasn't very strong, so I just threw in this RX 588 gig, which I think is the perfect pairing for the CPU and power supply. So after adding an SSD, more RAM, a GPU, and a case, that brought my total costs to around $215. And I'm really hoping to sell this thing for $400 for a little less than $200 profit. I could probably get away with selling it for more if I was able to wait around for a month, but it's a really entry-level PC and it doesn't feel right to overcharge people for it. I listed it to Facebook Marketplace for $400, but if I don't get a lot of bites after a week, I'm gonna drop the price a little bit. Even if I can get $100 profit on this thing, I'll be happy. So now we play the waiting game.
Several days later.
Okay, so it's been over a week now since I had the PC listed on Facebook Marketplace, and had a lot of people message me, but no one has fully committed to buying it yet. It's like so common for people to ask if the PC is available, and then once I say yes, it's available, they just ghost me. So don't waste my time, man. Here are some of my favorite messages so far. Hey, I'm not sure if you're into shoes or not, but I have 2 pairs of designer shoes, Dior and Balenciaga. I was seeing if you got traded for size 8.5. They're both combined worth about $2K. If you have shoes that are worth $2,000, why would you want to trade it for a computer that's worth $375? So yeah, pass. I don't want your stinky shoes, bro. This one said, is it available? I said, yes, I do pickups here. And they go, does the PC lag? I don't know what lag means. It's slow. I don't know. It's like it's priced accordingly to its performance. I said, nope, runs great. because I don't know what lag means. But luckily, some guy messaged me today, and I think we finally have a buyer. He messaged me, and he's highly motivated to come pick it up. He says he's on his way, so that's good. I threw in a mouse, keyboard, and a mouse pad for him that I had lying around for flips at a slightly higher price than I bought them for, maybe $1 or $2. They were from, they're pretty cheap. I've had them lying around for a long time. He really, really wanted a mouse, keyboard, and mouse pad, so I said, okay, I got some for you. And for the price total, we agreed on $390. I'll do the full price breakdown when I get back, because I don't know exactly how much those peripherals were worth, so I'll have to figure that out, but it's still going to be a pretty good profit for what it is, and I'm just ready to get rid of this thing. So once I get back, I'll go over that price breakdown, but I'm going to make sure the PC is working, it's good to go, everything's all right, and then I'm going to head over to the meeting spot. The guy seems very excited to get his first PC, so I'm happy to give it to him. All right, let's go to the meetup.
Hey, what's up, man? Thank you. How's it going, man?
Nice to meet you.
Mario?
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
I have a lot of friends that are going to come for a lot of things.
Really?
So, yeah,
Are you the first one? You're the trendsetter?
Yeah, I'm the trendsetter.
Yeah.
I'm making the switch. I just sent them a picture of the Facebook pictures that you had posted.
Yeah, yeah.
And they were like, oh, he's actually making the switch. They didn't believe me, but I have to, bro. I'm
Dude,
very excited, bro.
That's awesome, man. I'm excited for you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
I will tell you, every single person who's like, yeah, I'm the first one. My friends all play on PlayStation, and they all, I guarantee your friends are like, yeah, you'll be back or whatever, right? Yeah.
They act like that.
And
but I'm
then
like, nah.
usually they come to you. That's usually what happens.
The thing is,
Yeah.
I had a PS5 like 2 weeks ago. I sold it.
Yeah.
I would play the PS5, but I wasn't able to do like my poetry and stuff because I like making poetry.
Yeah, yeah.
And I wasn't able to work and balance out my dream and the game at the
Right.
same time. So I was just consuming myself with video games. I was like, okay, I need a PC.
Yeah.
I need to make the change.
I mean, yeah, for sure. And it's obviously not going to run as good as the PS5,
No, yeah, I understand
but like
that.
you said, it can do anything.
That's all it needs.
Yeah.
Just some friendly matches and just working on my dream. Bro.
Exactly. You grab the PC, I'll grab this stuff.
I just grab it like this.
Yeah, you're good.
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh, it's my new baby.
It's all this stuff. Thanks, man.
Let's do it.
All right,
Let's do it, bro.
for
Thank
sure.
you so much, bro.
Enjoy. If anything's wrong with it, you have any issues, any questions, just let me know. All right. You have a good one. So the buyer just left, but super nice guy. His name was Mario, I believe. Super nice guy. He's really excited, and he made a very good point. The reason he loves gaming, and he was playing on a PS5, but he really is into poetry. And so I guess he kept saying, like, my dream is to do poetry, and I'm just playing games all day. And so I need something that can do both my poetry, and if I do want to relax, I can game with the boys on the PC. So that's awesome. Happy for him. So we got $390 US. Pretty good haul for it. It's a cheap computer. I got all that extra stuff for it. He's happy with it. He just sent me a message that says, have a blessed day. Super nice guy. Hope he enjoys the PC. So the total price breakdown is that after all the costs and the extra stuff I sent him, my profit was about $170 US, which is pretty good considering how cheap the PC was, but it's not the end of the world. If I got 160, if I got 150, it would be fine. I mean, that would be great because at the end of the day, got to make a guy happy, got to let him live his dream, made someone who, there was just no chance he was going to build his own PC. Unfortunately, I wish he would. I wish all these people would. But this might be like a jumping off point for him. He might think, you know what, I actually really love this thing. Let me build my own PC. Let me look into this. Let me see what I can do. So I'm happy for him. I'm helping out a local community, local PC builders. That's what it's all about. So it's not all about full profit, but Mario, hope you enjoy the PC, man. Enjoy. And thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button below and comment, should I do more PC flipping videos? This might be a one-off if this doesn't go well, so let me know in the comments if you want to see more of this type of content, because I'd love to make it for you. My name's Jason. Thanks for watching.